Install the bottle cooler and check its performance.
Dear viewers, in this exercise, you are going to install and to operate the bottle cooler.
Tools required: online tester, tongue tester, wire stripper, vacuum cleaner, multimeter, dial thermometer. Equipments: bottle cooler. Materials: wax polish, clean sponge, clean waste. Inspect and position the appliance. Keep the unit in upright position on the location. Watch the exterior finish of the unit carefully for any scratches, bends, dents, etc. Make sure the door opening and closing operation is perfect. Ensure the door gasket is fixing firmly with the cabinet after closing the door. Check the display glass for clarity if it is that type. Place the unit on the correct location by moving its base caster wheels. Open the door and check the interior cabinet for any damages. It must be clean and dry. Place the plastic coated or metal shells inside. Unscrew the fasteners of covering of the condensing unit. Check the condition of components like compressor, condenser, fan motor and refrigerant lines. Ensure the components of condensing unit are in good condition. See that no oil traces to be found on the refrigerant tubes. Check the compressor mounting bolts for tightness. Refit the cover and grills of condensing unit with the cabinet. Clean the external body of the unit with clean waste cloth. Apply a little quantity of wax polish on the external surface of the cabinet. Keep a gap of 150 mm around the unit for free movement. Operate the appliance. Measure the voltage supply in the socket by using the tongue tester. Make sure that the voltage available between 190 volts to 240 volts and has no fluctuation. It is always good providing a voltage stabilizer to the unit for saving the life of the electrical components. Make sure that the stabilizer has got time delay facility. Connect the stabilizer line to the electrical power line. Make sure that the door of the unit is kept closed. Switch on the unit. Open the door. Feel the cool air flow inside the cabinet. Cooling effect will take place after 2 to 3 minutes from the time of switch on. Ensure the cabinet light glows during the door kept open. Make sure that the unit is working well and close the door.
Dear viewers, in this exercise, you have learned to install a bottle cooler and to check its performance. With this, we have come to an end of this exercise.